Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll
Welcome to part 2 of our Scandinavian adventure. Leaving the waterfall, we continue south towards the 42 that will take us west towards the fjords.
We've just pulled off of the main road. I'll show you on the map whereabouts we are. There's a little gravel track that came down. It's very steep up there through the trees. Don't know if you can see that up there. Big sign, warning sign there. In fact, there's a rock across the road telling you not to go that way. It's really steep. However, that's where we've parked. And stick the solar panel up, and I'm going to let you watch. So there you go. There she goes. There we are. So I think we'll stay here for some lunch. I'm just taking a picture of me on the roof. We'll catch you down by the shore in a bit. Do you want to see what's down there? Come on then. If we hadn't had a shower this morning,
I would not be getting in there.
I would.
You'd last 20 seconds if that.
Doesn't matter, I'll still go in. Shush, shush. Stop trying to embarrass me. Lovely though, eh? Baked potato, tuna and sweet corn on an open fire in the middle of Norway. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. to find the touristy place. It's where the boulder's been wedged between the two rocks, and you can go and stand on it, and then the fjord, Least Fjord I think it's called, is directly below you, so it's just a straight over. However, yet again, the road is closed, so it's a summertime thing to do there. So I'm going to do a little bit more photography. Claire's nicking my spot there, and then we'll somewhere down the road we'll find a place to stop for the night.
So that's enough driving for one day. We've just found a little spot off the 45 road to stay for the night. It looks quite nice.
Let's get outside and check it out.
Ooh, it's fresh.
Oh, it's chilly. Not a bad spot.
Not bad.
So that's the main road off in the distance there that you come down, and if you ever come to Norway, check out that road there. Is it the E45? Ah, the 45. Brilliant. So it parks up just there, so we can get a view in the morning. Just waiting in line at the ferry terminal in Ones, I think it's called, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's probably completely wrong, and I apologise, Norwegians. And we're just crossing over the fjord to go to Preikestolen, which again I apologise. So here we go. Right, so here we go. We're at Preikestolen, and we're about to start the hike, which is estimated at 4 hours for pros. Oh,
We'll
do a
double
time check.
Time is 12:20.
20 past 12, so it's 4 hours for pros. We'll still be walking tomorrow.
We've been going for about 2 minutes. We've come from right down there, which you can't really see. It's quite steep. Ooh. And we've got to go up them. This is going to be a long 2 hours.
I'm going to take you with us. Luckily, we changed our minds. We was going to bring all our photographic gear up here.
And I'm sure we'll regret it when we get up there for not bringing it.
Yeah.
But
I think I'd rather just carry me and you, to be fair. There you go.
I think I can live with not taking full professional photographs of the view. Just
I wish
this
I brought
one.
my camera.
Oh, shut up. Hi guys, right, for those that know me will know that I am not an avid fan of hiking. heights, which is why you're going to find me clinging to the mountainside and on this side of the path rather than falling down there. That from here doesn't look that far, but when I look down it's a drop to my death. So yeah, this, whilst Tony's a bit of a mountain goat, isn't much for him. It's a bit of a trek for me, and it's a bit of a conquer of a fear of heights. So yeah, keep watching.
So we're still making our way up and down, round and round to Pulpit Rock. So,
Must be a foot.
sorry?
Each step must be a foot, some of them.
Yeah, so a foot plus some of the steps up. So if you've got young children, be prepared to carry them like I've done Claire.
Yeah, right.
So we're about to climb the steps of that mountain in Lord of the Rings. What's it called? Mordor. Yeah, that's what we've got coming up, people. So it's an easy walk, to be fair. It's just you've got to be careful of the big steps. We've been watching people for what seems like an eternity, and they've not really got anywhere. So there you go. So I'm going to have some water. I think Claire's going off to take a picture, and we'll see you at the top of that blowing. You all right?
Yeah, just.
So we're now at the stairs of doom. You can't really appreciate how steep they are. This is like a Lord of the Rings film set.
It is. I don't believe they went all the way to, where did they go?
I don't know. It's
New
not
Zealand.
It's not like one of our favourite films. It's not.
I can't believe they went all the way to New Zealand to film, and they could have just come to Norway.
They could have come to Norway. However, either Bilbo was extremely fit, because you don't see him climbing these steps and going, I wish I knew of a shortcut. Oh no. He just takes it in his stride with his big hobbit feet. Claire's got hobbit feet, and she's not really taking it in her stride, to be fair.
I've not got hobbit feet.
What?
I haven't got hobbit feet.
She has a little bit. They're a little bit hairy. No, they're not. She shaves.
Oh, I love you so much.
So this is one of the plateaus on the way up to the Devil's Pulpit. Is it Devil's Pulpit? Yeah.
Can I just say, on everybody else's YouTube video that we've watched, this plateau actually plateaus and is flat. This really isn't that flat.
So about half a mile to go now, which is it's been a nice walk, to be fair. I bet it's gorgeous in the summer. There's a couple of pools back down there by the plateau, which evidently are good for having a little swimming in the summer. If only I'd remembered my cousin. So we've made it to the top, and there's hardly anyone up here, which is a bonus.
This is the time of year and the time of day to visit.
Yeah. Don't fall off the edge.
I wasn't planning on falling off the edge.
If you're going to come, come in the April, come out of season, you get the whole rock to yourself. It's watching me step here because I don't want to fall down there. So we're now going to make our way back to the van, and then we'll go and find somewhere nice to stop for the night. This has been a once in a lifetime up here. I know it's very popular, it's relatively easy to get here. It's truly amazing. Absolutely stunning.